Good day, sir. I am Elia L. de la Vega from BS ECE 3A1, and this is my output video for ECE 36 Laboratory Activity Number 9, demonstrating the RGB LED activity. So, I will begin with procedure number 2, which display a distinct color pattern equivalent to my student ID number, which is 3141. The sequence starts with a baseline of green, followed by blue for the digit 3, magenta for digit 1, azure for digit 4, and back to magenta for the final digit 1, before concluding with red. After that, there is 3 seconds let off state before the cycle loops back to the green. Next, I will demonstrate procedure number 3, which features a smooth fade color transition effect when changing between my 4 assigned colors. Each designated color remains on for at least 2 seconds, and every transition is completed within 5 seconds period. This transition follows the farthest direction based on the color wheel. My first transition moves from blue to magenta through the longest clockwise path. Followed by magenta to azure, moving counterclockwise. And finally, azure back to magenta through the farthest clockwise route. That's all. Thank you.